Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am sure you all are doing good. I am doing good too. Well, today's video is going to start with the part of speech. Yes, with the part of speech, and it is going to be the very first part of speech. So today I will talk about nouns, its types and the use of nouns in sentences. Stay tuned, don't skip the video and see till the end. It will be of value. Coming to common nouns. So what are common nouns? Common noun, as the name denotes, anything commonly said about place, animal, thing, object, bird, anything that we name is called common noun. For example, this dress, this shirt is a common noun. My hair is a common noun. Fingers, common noun. Hands, common noun. Eyes, ears, nose, that is parts of the body, everything comes under common nouns. And how do we apply it? Yes, common noun, this wall is a common noun. Board is a common noun. Cupboard is a common noun. Comb is a common noun. All these things that we use regularly, everything is called common noun. Everything falls under common noun. Even the phone that you see, even the television screen that you see are common nouns. Yes. So let's see if common nouns in some sentences. For example, I am going to college now. Yes, what is a common noun here? College is a common noun. Now if I say, we will buy some new curtains for the room. Curtains are common noun. And if I say that, I have got my new dress inside the cupboard, the dress and the cupboard are common nouns. My friend has invited me on her birthday. Friend is a common noun, birthday is a common noun. Here now the twist comes in. After common, we have proper noun. Yes, slowly, step by step, as we grow up, it's a proper noun. Proper, as the name says, something very properly said. That is, what's your name? My name is Anita, Manisha, Sunita. My name is Riya. My name is Suzanne. Or any name that you say, any name out that you call out is a proper noun here. Yes, and the proper noun always has a capital letter. Even if we write the name in between the sentence, the proper noun will have a capital letter. For example, we are planning a holiday trip with Suzanne. So Suzanne comes in the end, but S will be a capital letter there in the last part of the sentence. So it's a proper noun. Or if we name a name of a building, for example, the Taj Mahal. Yes, it's a wonderful piece of work. The Taj Mahal, T and M, capital, that is proper noun. The Himalayas are the mountain ranges. Himalayas again, H capital. So these are proper nouns. Coming now to step by step again. If we go ahead, noun, common noun, proper noun. Now comes, here is abstract noun. What is abstract? Now abstract is something which we cannot measure. Yes, it is not measurable. Now what do we understand by measure and not measure? That is, we can understand the degree of something or to what extent something is happening with somebody, or a number, a quantity, that is. For example, if we take the word, suppose, love, anger, hatred, these actually are called abstract nouns. Yes, abstract means they can be counted. Can you count 5 loves, 6 angers? No, we can't count it like that. So love, anger here comes under abstract noun. But on the other hand, if we say walking stick, a word called walking stick, it becomes a compound noun and a concrete noun. Walking stick is a concrete noun. Along with it, it's a compound noun. That is, it has a mixture of 2 words, walking and stick. And it is also concrete because it can be measured. We can say, we gifted 10 walking sticks in the old age home this year. That is, we are measuring, we are giving the quantity, the number, they can be counted, the 10 walking sticks. So that is called measurable. Now can you see the twist here? One word, walking stick, can be used as a common noun. This word walking stick can be used as a compound noun, and the word walking stick can also be called as a concrete noun. So again we say about the abstract noun. Abstract noun, I have just given you examples of love, of hatred, of anger. They are abstract nouns. which has nothing in concreteness. We cannot touch that, we cannot feel it, but yes, there is a feeling, the perception is there. We cannot touch to feel, but the feeling, the perception of the feeling always lies within our heart. It cannot be measured in number, but by touching, but by understanding our emotions, we can always feel that. Our understanding, our facial expressions. For example, if I am really angry, how will I act? Yes. Or if I love a flower, if I love seeing the beautiful flower in my garden, how will my face react? How will I smile? So that is here the difference between abstract and common. There are many other abstract and common nouns. What are collective nouns? A collection of things together. Collection, yes, together. For example, if I say a pride of lions, yes, a pack of wolves, a chest of drawers, a bouquet of flowers. She gifted her new employee, a bouquet of flowers. And all these things that are in collection coming up are called collective nouns. School of fish, yes, it's not the school that you go to, not the building. The building school is a common noun, but a school of fish is collective noun. And remember, school of fish. Fish is never said as fishes. Fish is always a singular as well as plural term. Whenever we have collective nouns, we never add a plural term for it. For example, sheep, herd of cattle, furniture. These don't have any plural to themselves. So whenever we say about collective, we speak of batch, flock, crowd together. That is the litter of cute puppies. We're moving here and there. The litter is a collective noun. Sometimes your teacher comes and tells you, class, open your books, let's start the lesson. Yes, they address the students as class. It's also a collective noun. Again, if somebody says the team did a great job, the team also is a collective noun. Thus, today we understood what are common nouns. Anything, any person, thing, object, word, animal, anything around us are called common nouns. Then comes the proper noun. Yes, if we give a person a name, it becomes a proper noun. If we say, I am going to buy a car, car is a common noun. But if we give a name to that car, it becomes a proper noun. And also names like buildings, as I said, the Taj Mahal, Red Fort, all these become a proper noun. And thus comes a part of abstract and concrete under the noun section again. Abstract means that which we cannot touch, which we cannot measure, but we can feel that. Concrete is something very base which has a concrete to it, which can be touched and felt and understood and measured. Next comes collective nouns. Yes, group and collection, and there are a lot of examples, number of examples, and I will surely give a worksheet for this later on. And next comes the compound nouns, uncountable and countable nouns. These three nouns I'll take on to the next video and it will be continued. So surely subscribe, stay tuned and do share the video, because I am sure many would get help out of this video. Many would try to know the kinds of nouns through this video in the simplified form, and I will be happy to help anyone out there. So for now, I'm signing out. Do subscribe, do share and do watch the video again and again as many times you need to know about the nouns. For now, bye-bye.